Everyone thinks the best-selling submersible sewage pump is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Zoller Wastemate 267. Let's kick things off with the Zoller Wastemate 267. Priced at $477.13, this heavy-duty pump caught my eye because of its strong reputation in the industry. If you want a reliable, automatic sewage pump that can handle both residential and commercial jobs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this pump solves your problem. It features a 1/2 HP motor and can handle a 2-inch spherical solid waste thanks to its non-clogging vortex impeller design. This means no more worrying about blockages leading to costly repairs or a flooded basement. Its durable cast-iron construction ensures it can withstand harsh conditions, which is crucial for long-term use. With over 100 units sold just this past month, it's clear people trust it. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit pricier compared to other options. Here's the thing though, investing in a durable pump like this one can save you money on repairs in the long run. If you need a pump that won't fail you in critical situations, this is definitely worth considering. This is perfect for you if you manage a property with heavy sewage flow or just want peace of mind knowing your system is efficient. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option that might not stand the test of time. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more power at a lower price point.
Product number 2, AidPath 1HP Sewage Grinder Pump. The AidPath 1HP Submersible Sewage Grinder Pump, priced at $198.88. What caught my attention here was its unique dual-stage grinding feature. If you want something that can handle tough waste without clogging, this is definitely something to consider. This pump packs a punch with its 1 HP motor and can handle a maximum flow of 6,076 gallons per hour. The dual-stage grinding system shreds waste into fine slurry, which means you won't have to deal with annoying backups anymore. Plus, with a 52.5-foot head, it's perfect for deep sewage basins and septic tanks. The stainless steel housing also adds to its durability, making it less likely to rust over time. However, some users have pointed out that the adjustable float can be a bit tricky to set up initially. But honestly, once you get it dialed in, it functions beautifully and is designed to last. If you're looking for a reliable option that won't break the bank, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you have a deep sewage basin and need a dependable pump to avoid clogs. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra easy to set up without any adjustments. Now, if the higher price of the Zoller bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 3, TruePow 1.5 HP Pump. The list is the TruePow 1.5 HP Submersible Sewage Pump, retailing at just $79.99. The price grabbed my attention, but what really impressed me was its stainless steel build. If you're after a budget-friendly pump that's still durable, this could be a great fit. This pump has a max flow rate of 4,250 gallons per hour and can lift water up to 32.8 feet. The stainless steel design means it's less prone to rust, which is a big plus if you plan to use it in challenging environments. Its lightweight nature, at only 13.3 pounds, makes it easy to handle during installation. This pump can be a practical solution for people needing a reliable option for things like garden ponds or minor flooding. However, some reviews mentioned that it's not as powerful as other options for heavy-duty sewage applications. Here's the thing. If you're dealing with occasional water issues or light sewage, it should serve you well. But if you expect heavy flows regularly, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable pump for occasional use that won't drain your wallet. Skip this one if you're looking for something to tackle significant sewage issues regularly. Alright, that was an interesting budget pick, but the next one has a bit more muscle for only a little more money.
Product number 4, AidPath 1 HP Sewage Pump. Let's talk about another AidPath option, the 1 HP Sewage Pump, priced at $205.88. This one stands out with its impressive 8,870 GPH capacity. If you want power and reliability, this pump is worth a serious look. Powered by a 1 HP motor, this pump is designed for heavy-duty applications, making it perfect for basements or septic tanks. Its clog-cutting impeller is a lifesaver, ensuring efficient operation without interruptions. With a robust stainless steel body and double mechanical seals, you can count on it for leak-proof performance. This pump also comes with a generous 5-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. Some users have expressed concerns about the weight, as it clocks in at 41.4 pounds. But I'll be real with you, the weight contributes to its stability, especially in demanding environments. If you don't mind a bit of heft, you'll likely appreciate the durability it offers. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable pump for heavy-duty tasks or want the peace of mind of a strong warranty. Skip this if you need something lightweight or for infrequent use. Now, if you're looking for something powerful but still easy on the wallet, the last product on this list might catch your attention.
Product number 5, 6699 Sewage Water Pump. We have the 6699 Sewage Water Pump, priced at $109.99. This one's attention-grabbing for its powerful motor and automatic float switch. If you want something efficient for pool draining or flooded basements, keep listening. This 1.5 HP pump can move up to 7,000 gallons per hour and can lift water up to 30 feet high, making it quite effective for various applications. The automatic float switch is a nice touch, starting and stopping the pump based on water levels, so you don't have to monitor it constantly. It's designed to be user-friendly, coming with 4 hose adapters to fit different sizes, which is a huge plus. However, some users have mentioned that it's not suitable for corrosive or flammable liquids. That said, for typical water removal tasks, it performs well. Just make sure you're using it in the right circumstances and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable pump for occasional use in situations like pools or flooded basements. Skip this if you're dealing with harsh chemicals or need something for heavy sewage work. To wrap things up, all 5 pumps have their own strengths. The Zoiler offers durability, AidPath brings power and affordability, TruePow provides budget friendliness, and the 6699 is user-friendly for simple tasks, making it easy to find a pump that suits your needs.
We covered some fantastic options: the Zoiler for heavy-duty needs, the AidPath grinder pump for tackling tough waste, the budget-friendly TruePow, the powerful second AidPath, and the user-friendly 6699. No matter your situation, there's a pump here for you.